Alright guys, these two little things here are called trones. They are from IKEA. I think they're about $20 a piece. We're going to put these two together, and then we're going to take, on the back there I have a little piece of pine that's about 15 inches wide. I'm going to rip it in half. We're going to make a side that'll go all the way across and down to trim it out a little bit and make it look a little more unique. It's kind of an IKEA hack. So right now I'm going to take these two and bolt them together. Alright, so here's all the pieces that we have that we are going to put on here, fasten them together with. I cut these down in my garage. It's a little cold here today, about 15 degrees, and I didn't take the time to tape all the sawing and things like that, being it's so cold out. Now we're going to take them doors off and see if we can get them together. Okay, we took the scrap wood and put them together that way. Now we need to fasten them this way together. And I have a few little nuts and bolts that will do this. We'll drill holes and put them right in the sides. Alright, now we're going to put our three boards together, and that'll be our top and two sides. Alright, now we got the top built, we're going to screw it together there. Nice little upgrade for some plastic IKEA cabinets right here. Alright guys, so you can take and finish this, stain it, do whatever you'd want to do with it. I think we're going to clear coat this one. But it's a really cool hack to make it look nice.